Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. This video is in collaboration with the DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul, and the theme is DIY Spring. If you haven't already, please be sure to visit her channel. I'll leave the link of her channel as well as the playlist of all the participants. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects, so let's get started. Projects, you guys. I'm so happy about this cute gnome. He was so cute as is, so I just wanted to decorate him a little bit flowers because the theme is spring. So I just picked some of the tiny flowers, the pink and rose, and made like a bouquet. And I stuck 2 of the leaves, and I stuck as like a flower on his head with leaves. And I also created a pink burlap. I just made a bow out of this with another pink burlaps, one of the strands of the burlap ribbon. I just twined it out, and then I made like a cute ribbon, and I just adorned him with that. And that's all he needs. He looks so gorgeous. And then this is one of the pedestal. I laid him on the pedestal with some greenery on either side. So I'm very happy how he turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this. And I'm absolutely loving this picture frame, and I saw this in Michael's, and basically they had this floral bouquet with ribbon in one of the picture frames. So I thought like I should recreate that. So I got some of the Dollar Tree picture frame, and I had the background as one of the corrugated brown sheet, and I got this beautiful pink florals. I think they are like a blooming flowers. That's when when the spring starts, those cute pink flowers that they bloom. And I just loved it because this is exactly the time the flowers are blooming. So I thought that I should implement that. And I just stuck few of the branches of the flowers like you saw. And also just stuck one of the Farmhouse ribbon, which has got like some brown stripes. So it is going really well with the picture frame. And also the flowers and the stems and everything together. And I also gave a little tassel with some of the pink burlap. And yeah, I just decorated this picture frame with the spring flowers. So I'm absolutely loving this. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the third one is one of the canvas. Actually, I had a painting that I did long back, and that was actually gone bad, so I thought I'll repurpose it. This butterfly small calendar, this came as a complimentary calendar with floral ones, so they're absolutely beautiful butterflies in there. So I just chose one of this beautiful lavender blue background. I just love this butterfly, and I just stuck it. Actually, I decoupaged it with Mod Podge, and I just twined it around with the burlap twine, and I also darkened the easel, and this I just laid this beautiful decoupaged canvas on top of it. And I also saw that there's a hole in there in the calendar, so I had to cover that. So I just stuck one of the white flower, and then I gave some greenery, and it will also adorn the canvas as well as it goes with the theme. So I'm absolutely loving this. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are the few simple and easy spring decor that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and walking along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And please do leave comments. That will help my channel grow. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.